Asthma. Asthma is a chronic lung disease that inflames or swells and narrows the respiratory tract in the lungs. Asthma is a disease of lungs in which the airway swells and produces extra mucus. As a result, the airway becomes blocked and narrowed, causing difficulty in breathing. It can be due to genetic factor or allergy. Symptoms. Symptoms include coughing, shortness of breath, and chest tightness caused by dust, pollen grains, air pollution, animal skin, hair, feathers, etc. Effective treatment of allergic asthma includes identifying and avoiding allergens that trigger symptoms, using drug therapies, and developing an emergency action plan for severe attacks. Asthma affects people of all ages, but it most often starts during childhood. The prime cause for this problem is pollution. Asanas for preventing asthma. Sukhasana. In this, we sit similar to sitting in a simple cross-legged position. While opening the hips and lengthening the spine, the asana's relative ease on the knees makes it easier than Siddha Asana or Padmasana for people with physical difficulties. Benefits. First, cures asthma. Second, calms the brain. Third, strengthens the back. Fourth, stretches the knees and ankles. Contraindication. Persons suffering with joint problems of knee and ankle should not do. Chakra Asana. Chakra Asana or the wheel pose is backward bending yogasana. Chakra in Sanskrit means wheel and asana means a pose. In Chakrasana, the final position looks like a wheel, hence the name. Chakra Asana gives great flexibility to the spine. Lie down on the floor while looking upwardly. Then slowly raise your hip, shoulder and the head from the floor. Raise or lift the body up while feet sole and both hands touch the floor. Then keep your neck loosely and bend your back as much as possible. Benefits. First, increases the flexibility of the spine and tones up the muscles of the whole body. Second, cures kyphosis and asthma. Third, cures digestive problems, constipation, gastric, piles, diabetes, etc. Contraindication. Person suffering from heart problems, ulcers, hernia, sciatica should avoid. Third, Gomukh Asana. Gomukh can also mean lightness of the head or light in the head. However, this asana gets its name because when one is performing this asana, the body resembles a cow face. The thighs and calves are replaced in such a way that they are wide at one end, tapering at the other. Benefits. First, increases the flexibility of spine and tones up the muscles of the whole body. Second, cures kyphosis. Third, cures asthma, back pain. Contraindication. Person with severe shoulder problem should not do.